So, hi there, Dr. Aaron K. Bullen, the founder of IFPC, International Fellowship of Pastors and Churches, global organization, is hosting a conference in Canada. This conference is anticipated for June 8th, 2024. So this particular conference is calling on pastors, church members, church founders, whatever denomination you belong to. It is an interdenominational conference. Everybody is welcome. As far as you serve God, you are welcome to this conference. The conference is taking place in Thunder Bay in Ontario. And this particular conference needs people to register latest 25th of February. Every registration package should reach Bishop Uche's office, whether you are in Nigeria, you are in South Africa, you are in Ghana, you are in Liberia, wherever you are. All road leads to Canada come June 8th. So Bishop Uche will be handling all the registrations in Nigeria, I was told. And the founder is Dr. Bishop Aaron K. Bullen. So leave your comments below and we will be able to give you the link to register. Endeavor to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and whatever you are sharing in this YouTube channel, God will bless you as you share the information. Everybody who is interested in this conference should endeavor to enroll through their churches, through their pastors. I think you need an endorsement letter from your pastor. Whatever you want to do, endeavor to enroll now. IFPC Canada chapter is organizing a conference. The email address that you can send your documents to is ifpccanada@gmail.com. ifpccanada@gmail.com. It is a fellowship for pastors and churches. Church members are also allowed to attend the conference, I was told. But whatever you are doing, just remember that the IFPC is having a conference in Canada for June, and they're also having a conference in US for September. Send your comments below, and then we'll give you the executive secretary's contact, so you can get the details of how to enroll for the conference, how to register for this conference. The last day for registration is 25th of February, and all registered members will be uploaded immediately. Invitations are ready. Dr. Aaron K. Bullen is going to send you a special invitation to join him to launch the Canada office, to organize a conference, and also have all the trainings that is part of the package. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Zudos African Label TV.